I've got something new to our channel. So if you want to see what I got and hear about today's giveaway, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And thank you so much for helping get us to our 1,000 subscriber month. As a give back, I am trying to do a giveaway every day. And I try to get my videos up by a certain time, but I know like tonight I'm filming, I have an appointment. I'm going to be getting it out later than usual. I do pre-film, so you're not going to see this tonight. You see something else tonight. But let's get into what this is. This is a Breo Box. Now, a Breo Box is not beauty. It is actually more electronics, lifestyle type things. And on Black Friday, they had a sale, and I think it was $30 off a one-time box or a seasonal, like season to season subscription, and you got $125 valued mystery bundle. So I don't know what this is, if this is the December box or the winter box or the mystery box, but this is a rather expensive box. I'm probably not going to continue getting it, but I did want to give it a try. And with that kind of deal, I thought, well, that's pretty cool. They did offer me to go annual at $133 a box. It's usually $160 a box, but I did decline that because, again, I don't know that I'm really going to want to do this on a regular basis because it is so expensive. So here it is. It comes in a bag. I did see some spoilers for the winter box, so this will tell me pretty quickly if this is the winter box or not. Okay, this is the winter box. Looks like there is a coupon for 35% off full home audio from Dio. It's 35% off. That's a pretty nice savings. Of course, I have no idea what their items cost. So, all right, so what do we have? We have a headlamp. This says it's a multifunction power to go headlamp. I don't see a name brand. Maybe Power to Go is the name brand. This is a multifunction headlamp. I think the name brand is Power to Go because that's the only thing I see, and it's like up on the corner here. It does have a recharger, some instructions, and here it is. So you're going to obviously put that on your head. Oh, it's got lighting here. More. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool. I don't know what that is. I've just pressed a different button. Okay. Oh, look at that. All right, pretty cool. And I know one gentleman who will be getting this for Christmas so that I don't have to keep holding that flashlight all the time. I like that it has the charger cable because a lot of times these things would come with like odd batteries that you don't necessarily have, which is anything other than a double or triple A in my house. and then the battery dies, and I'm like, well, okay, there goes that. And then I never remember to get the replacement battery, so then it just sits around. So I like that this is a rechargeable one. Next we have by Shelfmate, or maybe that's what it is. It's a wall outlet. It's a Shelfmate. All right, so you have all of your mounting hardware. So you have 2 of these depending upon what type of switch you're using. And then it looks like this kind of sits on top right there, so that you can rest something on top of there if you want. Maybe your phone that you're going to plug in. It's got the little hole there that you can put something through, like a charging cable, whatever. So that's kind of interesting. Definitely a techie type gift for the husband. All right, there is a little card with a little scan code to learn more about your items. All right, what is this? Start, stop, steeping infuser. It says, control your flavor. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, here is the infuser piece. I can't really get it off right now, and I don't want to break it, so I think I'm going to watch a video. I mean, it looks like it's just lined up here, but how I get that off, I'm not exactly sure. All right, same with, there are some instructions in here, so maybe I'll have that figured out. Next, by Dio, it says audio made simple. We have a little speaker, and I'm going to guess that this is the charging cable in here. All right, now I've never heard of this brand, but if you all have, let me know if they're a good brand. I'm sure they are if they're in here. It's a whole little user manual. What is this? Let's see. This says Bloom Pour Over Coffee Brewer. Includes 10 of these filters. There's a little coupon to get 15% off from their site, which would, I guess, include these refills. These are, let me show you, kind of different. And that's just kind of holding them. So it looks like you're going to put this right over your cup, put the filter in, put your coffee in, and then pour it right into your cup for a very full flavored coffee, which that's really neat. I love coffee. I will definitely use this. Next, we have this Nanofoer version 2 by Subminimal. Now, I did check this out because this was one of the reasons that drew me in. I was like, that looks like it's really cool, because I love some frothed coffee. Now, I actually like the peaks that they're like, oh, well, others give you the, I actually like those peaks. And we have a certificate of authenticity. It's got a little 3M, so you can put that right up on your wall. Look at that. Guess it needs batteries. Oh, it's got a little replacement head. All right, so excited to give that a try. And the last thing in here is this digital photo frame, and you can download the app on Google Play or the App Store and just put your photos right in there and you're all set to go. And I do like that because then you can kind of take all of your photos. I'm actually going to put all of our Hawaii photos on here. All right, that is my Breo box. I am more pleased than I thought I was going to be. Actually, I like this more than I thought I would. I know I looked at other boxes and I was like, some of the stuff was like, meh. Maybe because it's Christmas time and I have some potential gifting items. That could be a part of it. All right, let's get into this giveaway. Ooh. All right. Today we have this little elf package. So we have some bite-sized eyeshadows, mascara, a contour palette, and 4 of their bite-sized palettes. I can show them 2 separately. So if you want to enter today's giveaway, use the word ELF. in a sentence, and that will indicate to me that you are interested in today's giveaway. So please check out the rules down below to make sure that you qualify. Again, you can only win one in this month because I am doing so many kind of just little giveaways. And make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.